Hey Madison, great choice of books. I've read I Love You Stinky Face quite a few times to my own children, and then of course in my kindergarten classroom as well. I love that the reflection that you made in the paper, and I love the idea that you were kind of attributing this to your mom. And has she read this? You should have this to her. Email this paper to her. She would love that. But I think that when you're saying that the unconditional love part of the book, that is truly what the idea is that no matter what you're putting your mom through, what my kids have put me through, it's one of those things that you just love your no matter what. So and I love the generational part of this is when you're saying that you hope to read this book to your own kids someday. That is fantastic. I don't know if you know much about Lisa McCourt. She's the author of this book. And she actually has a school called Lovejoy School. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show it to you. This is his website, and she's got, this is what she looks like. And she's got this whole website about a school to promote love and joy to different people. It's kind of, it's expensive. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's a good premise behind it. So I also found the book is on YouTube, so if you wanted to, you could have it read to you if it was something in the classroom that you were going to be using. There is definitely tons of different artwork on this. If you just Google artwork, Stinky Face, you come up with lots of different projects you could do with your kids as well. But classic book, good choice, great paper. So great job, all of the above. Thanks.